number ranges and double click on intervals. So here we can define the number ranges for the contract. So let us try to insert a line, enter the number, so let us enter the from number, 600. So to 699, click enter. So here we got the message, enter intervals without overlap. Click save. So all the participants able to hear me, because I just got a message, participants not able to hear me. Is everything okay, participants? Thank you so much. So let us continue. So here we can't save the number range, is because already it is an existing number range. Already there is an existing number range. So let us try to take a different number range and try to execute this. So let us enter the from number from 1000 to 1099. Then press enter. So let us click continue. So the changes were saved. So let us click on back. Click on back again. So let us define the screen layout at a document level. So define a screen at a document level. So let us select the field selection, and selecting the quantity contract, click on copy as and enter the field selection. So I'm just trying to enter AMK. I'll give the name as test quantity contract. So here we can see the number of entries copied, and here we can see the field selection. Let's click save. Let's continue. So here we can see data was saved. So let us select the field selection. Select AMK. So click on details button. So let's click on the basic data and click item. Double click on this. In this screen, you can find mandatory fields to enter the data. Click next selection group to see the next selection group. And again click on next selection group. So let's continue to click. In the administrative data, so check purchasing group is required, and let us click on required entry and deactivate the operational entry. Let's go back. Let us go back again. Click on yes. Let us click on define document types to assign the number ranges to the document types. So here enter the number ranges. Enter the number ranges that have been created before. We created 17 number intervals and double click on enter the field selection. Our field selection is AMK. Click on save and click continue. So here you can see the message data was saved. So now we will see how to create the contract. Double click on the app, enter the contract. So here enter the vendor number, enter the agreement type, enter the purchasing organization number, enter the purchasing group, enter the plant. So let's keep entering all these details. Let us enter the validity end date. Enter the target value. Press enter. Press enter again. Let us enter the material details. What are the materials? Enter the target quantity. Enter the net price. Press enter. Click on save. Here you can add item conditions. Click on more. Select the item first. Click on more. Click on item condition. Here you can add item condition. If the vendor is giving a discount of 5%, we can add the discount over here. So let's enter the discount. So let's keep entering all these details. So let us select the flight value. Let's enter the amount. Click enter. Now click on save. So here you can see the quantity contract created under the number 431. So here we have given the number range 431 to 499. So the contract is created under the number 431. So we can create the contract in three ways. One is creating the contract normally. The second one is creating a contract reference to the purchase requisition. Create a contract with reference to RFQ. Create a contract reference to purchase requisition. Enter the vendor number and let's click on the search. So here select the vendor and enter the purchasing organization and enter the purchasing group and storage location. Let us take the another vendor number. Click on search. And here the purchasing organization is 1110. Enter the plant and enter the storage location. And then click on enter to purchase requisition. In previous session, we have seen how to create a purchase requisition. So let us enter the requisition item. Let's continue. So let us enter the validity end date. Enter the target value. Press enter. Press enter again. So let us select the material and click on the details button. So let us enter the target quantity and let's enter the net order price and then click on the item conditions. So here if you want to add a discount, you can add it over here. Select the cash discount and enter the percentage and click enter. If you want, we can directly enter the crate value. So here you can see the message contract created under the number 432 with reference to the purchase requisition. So in the same way, we can also create reference to the RFQ. Well, with reference to the RFQ, we are using a quotation app. So we can create a purchase order by using a contract app also. So, so now we will see how to create an order by using, so, so for this we are using an app called purchase, create a purchase order. So let us click enter. So let us click on create purchase order, advance. Let's keep entering the vendor number. And let us expand the header tab and enter the purchasing organization and purchasing group and enter the company code. So let us enter the contract number. Press enter. So let's enter the quantity. Click on quantity and click on weights tab. So here enter the quantity and press enter. Click on save. Here you can see standard CO created. So let us note this. So let us see the monitoring of contract. We are using manage purchase order app, manage purchase order app, manage a purchase contract app. Let's click enter. So let us open the app. So in this app, users can see the high contract consumption and critical status of contract. So here you have the filter bar. You can search by purchasing organization and purchasing group. So here we can renew the contract by changing the target value. Here double click on the contract. So here we can see all the details of the contract. So here you can extend the validity. So if you want, we can change the target value. So here you can see. Click on back. So let us increase the validity to date. So here you can see the status was changed from expired to expiring. So this is how we renew the contract. So this is about the monitoring the contract. So until now, we discussed about the sourcing and contract management. In sourcing and contract management, so we have seen how to create the contract, how to execute the contract by using the purchase requisition, and how to monitor the contract. If you want to see the assignment for today's session, go to Dropbox Shuttle folder, go to Set to Assignments, go to S4HANA Assignment, go to S4HANA Logistics. Here we can see Sales Contract Management Assignment. Let us open the assignment. Enter the transaction code SPRO. Click on SAP Reference IMG. Go to the path. Select the document type. Click on Copy As. To explain each and every step very clearly. Thank you all the participants to attend today's session. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.